Go.
A drive in a Jeep.
Yeah.
Made out of Connects.
Yeah. Remember, subscribe to the movie and me, Haunted Greninger. God damn, I'm just going to embarrass myself. Well, break one. Let's do a break count. Guys, will you help us please do the break count? So that's break count one.
If you've watched this, do a... Yeah, just checking the video's still going.
Yeah, the video.
First part to come off.
A wheel. Again.
Yeah, sorry I just launched it back, but...
Da, 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 da.
Go then.
Final Fantasy.
Make it so it's still visible. Sorry guys, can't edit this out because it's all on phone. All we can do is trim edges on video. That's all. So let's go.
Trim edges of license plates.
I stood on that.
Break number 2.
The same thing. I accidentally kicked it.
1 centimeter.
Yeah, I accidentally kicked it that time. Oh look, it went so much more fittingly. Right.
Yeah, well, that's hard now. Let me do it.
No.
What's to know what would happen if I do it? What? Okay.
Break number 3.
That's about 1.5 meters.
No, it's been more than that. I know that.
Yeah, I know. It's sarcasm, too. Guys, have a flower. If you subscribe, this is the flower.
That's the flower of love.
Oh God, no.
You can't.
Okay, let's go.
Can't. You should know what reference that is. Let's just say Back to the Future. Why not did it get so confused?
I don't know.
Wait, I think what's going on here? We're going to multiply by about 1.5.
Even I'm smarter than that. I'm smart enough to do know that. You know that.
Yeah, but I don't think you know actually how much you get. Sorry guys, that is the wrong answer. That is actually wrong for trying to uphill. I'm just a child. I'm just a poor boy with a poor family. Yeah, don't get something right.
Yeah, if you hear us say names, it's fake names, okay?
Yeah. No, what? Left or
like
right?
I've already said, my fake name is Jeff the Pizza Guy. Stop calling me Frank, because that's a different fake name.
Yeah.
There's a fake name until
Yeah, his actual name's Bill.
Is it? Ah, you missed out a few letters, I think. I don't know.
What? Billy?
Hey, that ain't my real name. Break number 4.
Oh, look, you're going up again.
I am not showing my face.
Sorry if this is very bad quality. Still recording, and it's been 4 minutes. Let's sort of put you at another angle. Now after this, I will take...
I was blocking my face.
Yeah, well, I'll just scuff my knee.
You'll be able to put that bit out of it, to give off the bit that would show my head or something. Yeah, but you've got to stop the thing. I will block the thing. There we go. What, are you gonna deja vu around the corner?
No, that's too dangerous.
I did a deja vu around the corner.
Yes, but I've got a mobile device in there. Like a fire stop.
Ow!
Didn't quite get that.
Okay, I'll get this to break.
I'm going to go right. I'm little. Give it back. That stopped it. Another.
Break number 5.
Oh, that's a whole suspension, and I think a band's gone. Oh no,
Again?
band hasn't gone. Hope you're
Again?
still recording.
Again with the whole suspension disappearing. Yeah, 5 minutes free.
There's the wheel.
Yeah. Isn't that like the second time a whole suspension has that? Guys, we never made a video of that. But if we
wait.
did, it'd been perfect. Not.
Right, guys, I'm just going to take you out for this.
Yes, I will show you around the area.
Well, not the area, I hope. This is
Yes, this is the car.
and there you go.
There's that wheel that popped up off, and
Don't
that's.
show my face.
I won't. Let's look at this. This. It has a number 5 in it. What's it? What's this called again? I've got.
A lamppost.
Yes.
And yes, if any Americans are watching, and well, it's called different in America, because, sorry Americans, but
Take the L.
you can't speak English properly.
Take the L. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Just take the L.
Top button.
Take the law. I am so sorry, Americans.
Yeah, sorry.
And I am so sorry to you. What's his name again? Sound Gladiator.
Yeah, can I please have the mobile device? Or what you guys will call a camera.
A camera. Yes, we are recording that on the phone.
Sorry, I've got any.
I just waved to the police. The police just went past like, it's just like, yeah.
So guys, did you see the police car?
No.
Oh, there's someone coming.
Your
We have
legs are probably in the way. Ow! That hurts.
what on earth are you doing?
Stick.
Oh look, I can do proper reverse gear. Anyway, let's go forward.